Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to queue actions in Project Zomboid. To queue actions, hold the Shift key while selecting the actions you want your character to perform. Holding Shift tells the game to add the action to a queue instead of replacing the current one. For example, if you want to build several wooden walls, right-click then go to Carpentry. Then hold Shift while placing the walls one by one. Each one will be added to the action queue, and your character will build them one after another automatically. You can also use this when filling multiple water containers. Stand next to a sink or water source. Hold Shift, then right-click each empty bottle, pot, or container and choose Fill, or select Fill All. Your character will then fill each container in sequence without you needing to repeat the action every time. And that's how you queue actions in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.